everyone, my name is Neha. I am a student of BSc Chemistry Honours 5th semester and I am here for performing the experiment to determine the distribution coefficient of iodine between H2O and CCl. So materials required for this experiment are iodine, starch, carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, Ki, and sodium thiosulfide, and two separating funnels. First of all, we will prepare 2% solution of iodine by taking 2 gram of iodine crystals in 98 ml of CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. Shake it well. Now we will fill the container up to the mark with CCl4. Now we will take 50 ml of distilled water in all the 4 bottles, bottle number 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Now we will measure 25 ml of iodine solution and will pour it in the container, that is bottle number 1, then 20 ml in bottle 2, 15 ml in bottle 3 and 10 ml in bottle 4. Now we will add CCl4 to all the bottles in the proportion like 0 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, 15 ml, such that the total volume of the bottles remains 75 ml. Now we will shake these bottles well for 30 minutes. Here we have prepared N by 100 hypo solution and N by 20 hypo solution. Now we will pour the solution of bottle 1 in separating funnel and allow it to stand for some time undisturbed. Here we observe that the solution gets divided into two layers, one of aqueous layer and second is CCl4 layer. Now we will take out 5 ml of CCl4 layer in measuring cylinder. Now we will titrate it. For this, first of all we will take 1 gram of Ki, that is potassium iodide, in a conical flask. And we'll add 20 ml of distilled water to it. Now we will add 5 ml of CCl4 layer that we took out earlier in this conical flask. Now we will titrate the solution formed. Also we will add some amount of starch to the solution. Here some amount of starch is added to the conical flask. Now we will titrate it till the end point comes, that is the color disappears. Now as we can clearly see the disappearance of the color of the solution, hence the end point come. Now similarly we will titrate the aqueous layer. Here we take 5 ml of aqueous layer, add some amount of starch to it, and we had added already 1 gram of potassium iodide to it. Now we will titrate this and note the end point. Similarly, we will take CCl4 layer from second bottle and titrate it in the similar way. Here we will take out 5 ml of CCl4 layer from another bottle, and after titrating it we will note the end point of this also. Similarly, now we will take aqueous layer of bottle 2 and titrate it after adding 1 gram of potassium iodide and some amount of starch to it, and note the end point. Here concentration of iodine in CCl4 and aqueous layer is calculated, and hence partition coefficient can be calculated.